Maligayang Pasko sa lahat. Magsishare na naman ako ng pamaskong handog tungkol pa rin sa teknolohiya na pwedeng gamitin sa bahay natin tuwing Pasko. Dito sa aking stand-in, supposedly may intro spill pero madilim. Yung background ko, makikita dyan ang running lights from a local brand, Yoni by Glide. This is a controllable lights via a remote control and on our phone, but not really smart. Pero yung price niya ay malapit na sa isang smart light strip. Is this good? Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow!
Tuwing Pasko, palagi kong pinapakita kung paano ko inilawan itong aking mulberry tree mula sa isang recycled Christmas lights up to empty bottles ay ginawa ko para lang mapaganda ko itong aking mulberry tree. Itong tapo light strip ko na nasa window ay naka-Christmas mode ngayon. Tuwing gabi kung hindi Pasko, ginamit ko ito as a light alert whenever yung tapo cameras dito sa front yard ay may ma-detect na person dito sa vicinity, iilaw itong light tuwing gabi na may designated time siya na ito ay iilaw. Ito ay mamurahin lang na light strip. Actually, this is only worth 140 pesos a set. Isang set na siya. At alam nyo, 2 taon ito at hanggang ngayon ay nagagamit ko pa. Although some of the lights ay nag-start na siya na hindi umiilaw, but 2 years ito at tingnan nyo, okay pa rin. As a precaution in handling Christmas lights, meron rin akong video about it. Panoorin ang video ito. For this Christmas season, bumili ako ng Yoni light strip. Na-intriga kasi ako sa kanilang ad sa Facebook. Mukhang maganda kaya sinubukan ko. Meron itong 3 variants, 5 meters, 10 meters, and 20 meters. Ang binili ko ay 20 meters na may bigat lang na about 200 grams. Believe it or not, sa haba nitong running lights ay 5 volts lang ang supply niya. So pwede mo gagamitin ang yung power bank to supply power on these LED lights. Okay, now this is an RGB actually. Makikita mo dito tatlo ang kanyang kable. Okay, ito tatlo yung kanyang kable. Then unlike other LEDs na nakita ko, ito parang ang kanyang ang kanyang texture ng kanyang cables ay braided, no? Iba siya. Then ito yung LED niya. Talagang matibay tingnan, no? Talagang matibay tingnan tong LED lights niya. Oh, see that? Oh, yung mga LED niya, ito yung mga LED niya. Tingnan mo yung LED niya, oh. Yung distance niyang between LEDs ay nasa lang 4 inches or 10 cm yung interval ng kanyang mga LEDs, yung mga chips niya. Remote control siya. Aside from remote control, meron to siyang app sa phone, so i-open ko mamaya. Then ito yung remote control niya is using the radio frequency na 2.4 gigahertz. I don't know, i-check ko pa to. Nakalagay dito RF si radio frequency. But nakalagay 2.4G. Hindi to RF. 433 megahertz yung RF na control. But ito, nakalagay 2.4G. Bluetooth yung 2.4G. Pero kita mo dito naman, parang may IR, infrared. Check natin mamaya. Okay? But kung i-try natin, saksak ko sa USB ko, tingnan nyo. Yan, ang running lights niya. Isa sa mode lang yan. Marami siyang mode. Kaya na-attract ako dito sa kanilang. If I change the mode yan, then this may running mode siya. Ito pa, meron pa.
Iba't ibang mode niya. Ang dami oh. You see that? Parang dami talaga. Blue. So, it's a flashing light. Okay. Yan oh. Full white. Yan, iba. That's a running light. Then you can adjust the speed. Pwede mo bilisan. Pwede mo hinaan. O, yan, hihiming nga yan. At bilisan mo. Yan, bibilis siya. Then, you can also change the whole color to, let's say, red, green.
The app can be used both on Android and iOS. Download and install the Magic Lantern app on your phone and allow some access, especially the microphones. It uses Bluetooth to connect to the phone. On the app, the lights combinations seem limitless dahil sa dami ng kanyang magagawang light shows. Grabe. Pwede ring gawing dancing light o sasabay ang light sa music. At even on sound that is picked up by the phone's microphone.
Hey, Mike. Testing. Okay. Katatapos ko lang nag-install niyan. I started at about 4 o'clock and it's done about 6 to 2 hours. Then I'm outside of the house. Nasa labas ako ng bahay, but I can control actually.
Sa pagkaintindi ko, itong 2.4G RF at saka itong IR icon dito, ang ibig sabihin ay this remote control uses Bluetooth to connect to the controller of the light strip. It also uses the 433 MHz radio frequency at gumamit na ito ng infrared kasi mayroon blaster dito eh.
Both the app on the phone and the remote control work kahit nasa loob ako ng bahay dahil Bluetooth ang connection niya to the light unit from the phone and RF and Bluetooth in the case of the remote control. To avoid another remote control unit to override the controller of the light strip, you can lock the remote control assigned to a particular light strip. This is useful when buying 2 or more light strips of this kind. You can also set timers 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours of operation so that after the designated duration, the light strip automatically turns off. At the top of the remote control are the on and off buttons. On the light strip, the controller has a button for turning on and off the light strip and can perform some effects but limited. Sa app, pwede tayo mag-set ng schedule for turning on and off the light strip by toggling the switch here at the upper right corner for turning on. Okay, then we'll set the time. Let's say at 1600 hour, 8 at 6 o'clock in the evening. Then press OK. Then you set the dates, the day. So I put it every day. Then also for turning off, you can also schedule the time. Kung magtatanong kayo, tatagal kaya itong Uni Lights? Abangan sa next Christmas season sa 2025 kung andito pa to sa bahay. During the unboxing, pinakita ko naman how good the construction of these lights, yung kanyang kable at saka yung kanyang LED chips. But the actual durability test, it's its normal use. I can preserve the lights after the holidays. Pwede ko tanggalin yun mula doon sa aking wall. Nakakabit na yung sa isang plastic hook. Hindi yun permanent. So, pwede ko itago the rest of the year and ibalik ko sa next Christmas season. Mayong Pasko na itong tanan. Salamat, bye.